One time, one of my multi-millionaire mentors, Sam Oven, said, little sissies don't make 7 or 8 figures a year. And that really stuck with me because it's the truth. You can't expect to not want to take risks, not want to invest money, not work hard, not put yourself out there, not risk getting rejected, and somehow you'll be a multi-millionaire. If that's what you think, keep dreaming. Like seriously, you're gonna be very disappointed. Reality is gonna hit you like a massive truck. If you want to be in control of your own life, you want to be your own boss, you want to make 6, 7, even 8 figures a year, if you're very, very ambitious, you're going to have to go through hard shit. You're gonna have to handle criticism from people that you really cared about. I lost people from my family because they started hating me because I was ambitious, because I started a business, because they didn't want me to succeed. You know the saying, they want to see you do well, but never better than them. So how do you learn to control your emotions? How do you build mental toughness, emotional resistance, emotional resiliency? Simple, you go through hell. Exactly like I did. As a kid, I went through horrible shit. I don't even want to talk about it. I did hard things like I forced myself to take the cold showers, to exercise, get rid of dirty bad habits that were literally killing me, like junk food, porn, all these things. And then I started a business. I didn't go to university. I took all the risks you can think of. I made all the sacrifices you can possibly think of. I did all the hardest shit possible. And if I hadn't done that, I would have been just like everyone else. I would have had a regular 9-to-5 job. I would have never traveled across many countries. I would have never lived half the experiences I've lived. And I would have never made thousands of dollars a day in profit in my early 20s. So at the end of the day, you take the risk or you don't. It's completely up to you. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast.